Welcome back to part 2 of my box break of Score Football 1991 Series 2. Let's go ahead and get into it. Obviously with Series 2, we are looking for Brett Favre rookie cards mainly, also the Dream Team inserts and Team MVP inserts. There are some cool ones, including Barry Sanders. We'll go pretty quickly through these. Bruce Matthews, Randall Cunningham, nice one. Bo Jackson, Team MVP card. That's really cool. Bruce Smith, second pack. It's like no rookies in this pack. Do really like those Team MVP cards. There's a cool Montana one. I believe it's Montana's last one in a 49ers uniform, which is pretty cool. Andre Reed. Ooh, really nice Jerry Rice Team MVP card. Ooh, that's a pretty desirable card as well. Emmitt Smith, Mark Carrier, Rookies of the Year card. Put that in the top loader after I'm done. Still probably not worth getting graded, but Brett Favre's are, if they're in good enough condition. I bought 2 boxes. The first box, none of the cards were in good enough condition to really get graded. I had dinged corners. We do have some rookies in this pack. Just one, it looks like. So in the whole first half of the box, so 18 packs, there was one Brett Favre rookie card, which is really disappointing. So hoping for a minimum of 2 in the second half. Gotta at least get 3 Brett Favre rookie cards out of the box. Jackson, R.P. Williams. Nice Dan Marino, Team MVP card. Still no Brett Favre. Good thing about these boxes is they're very inexpensive right now still. I got both these boxes for $40 with shipping. Part of the price was probably because one of the boxes did have some damage to it. You'll probably pay at least around about $25 a box right now. Warren Moon. Paul Justin. But yeah, if you are to get any Score 91 football, you definitely want Series 2. Just like most cards, Series 2 is where you get the majority of the rookies with older cards. Dennis Smith, Crunch Crew, Dennis Bird, Jim Everett. Still looking for that first Favre card of the second half of this box. It's a pretty nice series of cards. There are just so many. There's not much value to these unless you get some of the Dream Team cards that are autographed. Ooh, another Rice. It's the same sequence here. It's with Mark Carrier. Hall of Famer. Dan Marino base, not a bad base if in perfect condition. And these packs look pretty good. Cards look... Yeah, that corner's dinged. Maybe not. I think that was just because that one was on the end there. Cards on the on the ends, the book ends are always the hardest to get in good condition. Obviously. Alright. Come on. Let's see if our... Still no Favre. Seems like with a lot of rookie cards, with a box, your best chance, pretty much the best you can do is around 3 or 4. It kind of depends. I'd love to know what the highest amount of rookie cards someone's ever gotten from a box. Tippett from the Patriots. Ooh, nice Aikman. Team MVP. That's a really good looking card. No rookies in this pack. Junior Seau on the back here. One thing I'd love to know, if you can put in the comment section below, is what's the best? Ooh, nice Barry Sanders Dream Team. Definitely put that in a top loader. Let's see. Looks pretty good. Set that one off to the side. Some rookies here, dear Lewis. But what's the cheapest, the best and cheapest old wax packs that you like to break open? This is a really good one, especially because there's the upside of getting one of those signed Dream Team cards. And Barry Sanders goes for anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000 if it's in great condition. There's only 500 of each of those. I've never pulled one. I've seen people selling them. Team MVP still no Brett. These packs are also a little harder to open than some other ones. Stan Jones. Nice Thurman Thomas. Tom Marnovich. Steve Tasker. Love Steve Tasker. One of the best special teamers ever. Starting to think I should get scissors to get these out just to make sure I don't mess up the corners in case I actually get one of the Brett Favre rookie cards here. Not there either. See in the comment section below, let me know your favorite inexpensive product to rip and also the worst. What's the worst card set that you can think of or that you've ever opened before? The other day I opened up some 89 Pro Set Series 1. That's pretty rough. Thought I might get a Brett there. Nope. There's very little in that series except for a Thurman Thomas rookie card and a Marv Levy head coach card. Pulled both of those, but Michael Irvin might be in that one. Yeah, Michael Irvin's in Series 1, 1989 Pro Set. But still, you want Series 2 with Barry Sanders and Derek Thomas and Troy Aikman. There's a lot in Series 2 of 89 Pro Set. Alright, let's keep looking for that Brett Favre. Eric Bieniemy. Herman Moore. Do love my Herman Moore since I'm a Lions fan. Mike Richards. Alright, we're down to just 3 packs left. I mean, we've gone through 15 packs and not one Brett Favre rookie. That's insane. So if you're just buying a few packs, keep that in mind. It might be very hard for you to get even one. Goodness gracious. Speaking of Irvin. Alright, 2 packs left. Gotta at least give me one here. Goodness. Out of 2 boxes, I believe I just have 3 Brett Favre rookie cards. None of them are in mint condition. good condition, but not mint condition by any means. Bruce Matthews, team MVP. Sanders. Oh yeah, that was a dream team. These are the team MVPs. Barry Sanders, team MVP. Nice card. Tex Schramm. Love that name. Pre-comeback player of the year. The first one of those I pulled. Alright. Last pack. Looks like we're going to go 18 packs without a single Brett Favre. So if you really want Brett Favre cards out of Score Football 91 Series 2, buy a lot. Or just buy a lot of Brett Favre cards that somebody's already pulled. Make sure they're in good condition and get graded if they are. Team card. Wow. John Elway. Well, got a couple good base cards, but pretty disappointing. Thanks for watching. Please comment below and keep coming back to watch me rip open old cards. I'd also love feedback on what you want to see me rip open. Thank you. Bye.